Sawadee welcome to Quick Drawing Tips. Today we have Baifern. Have you seen a crazy little thing called love? Yeah, watch that. Let's go.
Pimchanok Baifern. Okay, I love the movie Crazy Little Thing Called Love. Yeah, I cried. Yes, I cried. Alright, I picked a different type of portrait for this one. See, winking and her teeth out. This is tricky because you have to align her wink. See this muscle, that muscle with her tongue. Yeah, just like that part. So once you get the border right, once you get this part right, and then the mouth part, the trickiest part of this entire drawing is the mouth. It's not even the eyes, it's the mouth, this part. So get her tongue right, because if you make her tongue too big, then she will look like that Pokemon character, like too big, too small, that it wouldn't have this effect. So this is somewhere in the middle. So once you get the face right, start making the rest of her body, her arm and her dress. After that is the hair. Starts from here, flows there. That's one part. This is the second part, and this is the third part. There, there, there. Easy. It's all easy. It's so easy. Thank you for watching. Hope you had a great time.
Kabun Kap, thank you so much for watching that video. I do not know Thai. I just typed hi and thank you in Google. So thanks you Google. You know what to do. Just show me some love.